Tired of staring at a sea of gray layers? Let's inject some color and clarity into your Photoshop workflow right now. Open up your Adobe Photoshop project. You'll see the Layers panel, usually on the bottom right. This is where the magic happens. To change a layer's color, simply locate the layer you want to modify in the Layers panel. Don't click on the layer's thumbnail, but instead, aim for the blank space to the left of the layer name. Now, give that blank space a right-click. A context menu will appear. Look for an option labeled Color or Layer Color. Hover your mouse over the color option, and a palette of vibrant colors will pop up. Choose the color that best suits your organizational needs or creative vision. See that? Your layer is now beautifully colored. This makes it incredibly easy to visually group similar elements, like all your text layers, your background elements, or specific adjustments. Repeat this process for any other layers you want to color. You can quickly distinguish between different parts of your project, making navigation and editing in complex documents a breeze. This simple technique of changing layer colors dramatically improves your workflow efficiency and gives you greater creative control over your projects. Give your layers the personality they deserve and streamline your Photoshop experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.